Okay. Dara, so today our agenda is about interview. This is the final project one, and
Sorry,
then the final project there are three. Yeah, there are three, right? Three parts. The
yes,
first part is what?
country,
Country. The second part.
the best project,
Okay. The third part.
interview,
Okay. Interview is the last one. Yeah.
yes,
So don't forget later makes the video become one. Okay.
okay,
So before we start, please tell me about yourself first to the camera, please.
okay. Hello everyone, my name Barabian. You can call me Bara. Um, I from Jakarta and I born in Jakarta too. And I 14 years old. I um, born 60 uh, 13 May 13 May in Jakarta, and my hobby maybe playing badminton and what gini ya produce. And I study at IDN boarding school Jonggol.
Done?
Dan
Alright. Okay, so now you are in boarding school.
yes,
Again, boarding school Jawa.
yes.
Okay, so now I want to ask about how is your IT skill before coming to IBM? Uh, can you do you understand about IT before coming to school, or you already have the basic before? So can
Oh,
you tell me, please?
can.
Yeah.
Okay, before I coming to IDN, I have basic skill IT. Like Scratch, I ever try before IDN. I try autodidact with myself try like making game, and I ever to use construct and ever like making game in Roblox Studio, and that's that. And editing, maybe editing in CapCut I ever motion, and design too I ever try design in Canva, and what I forget the application there is. And I ever learning Python, but just little bit lah, just basic Python.
Okay, so you before already had fundamental or basic
Yes,
from home, yes.
yes.
Okay, how, why you have that basic? I mean, like, where did you get? Where did you get that from? Like, maybe your parents tell you to do that, or yeah, how? So it can bring you to learn that one.
Oh, because before I always ask to my parent about IT, but my parent always tell like um so like if IT like what, and I just want to practice lah, just not material. And I try with myself, like I learn Python or making game lah, I wanna try. Because before I like to for game, I try that. After that I join like course IT, the name is Time the Academy. After that after that I learn in there maybe 3 years, yes, from 4th grade until 6. After that I learn lah in there. I learn like construct, after that Scratch too little bit. And inilah in there I learn about IT and fundamental Python.
Okay. Okay, so you ever make the game,
Ever
and
ever
also you like the game.
yes.
Okay,
So I
so
like
what can have you ever created the game?
um I many create game, but maybe when I child, yeah, when I in kindergarten, maybe, yeah. First
Mhm.
I tell when I kindergarten I ever make game, but in phone, like there is template in application, and I make just build like place lah, just with platform, just with place. I make like dungeon game, and I not give name for that game, and after that I can make game with block code. When I tap that I make in Scratch, that is my first game I make use code block, but just use block code. And in there I make like there is in Google, Google, but I use in there use cat and use animation, just that when third grade. And after this, when when five grade, I try make game in Roblox, use programming language, use Lua. That is easy programming language, and I use like parkour game in Roblox. Just use simple code like spawn coin, and just move and make something to move. And when sixth grade, I like exam in my course for making game. I making in construct. I make like 3D game, the like shooter game. And in there I use like Pokemon, but use my design, not I try free asset and like that lah. And in IDN I make so many game like in Scratch, in Wheelbox. Maybe I just tell not all, just like Agent Fruit, um Adapt Before Sleep, and Block Breaker, The Defender, Take Me Out, and other. And to my project, ever show and open house project, all project in IDN, all project game in IDN, I make in just one project, and that you can choose what you want to play game, and like just like that. And when seventh grade, second semester, I ever to make 3D game in Wheelbox, that I first time try Wheelbox, and I make like jumping cube and running ball and other lah. Yeah, just that I ever make game.
Okay, so you ever took the course? How long? 3 years.
Yes, 3 years.
3 years. So per week, how many meetings?
Just two times.
Two times.
Yes.
Two meeting.
Yes.
Two times, yeah. Two times per week.
Yes.
So 1 month is eight.
Yes.
Eight times.
Eight.
8 kali, 8 times.
Yes.
Okay, meetings. I see. Wow. So you've been very long, yeah, to very long making game.
Yes.
Udah lama making game. Okay. So have you ever found the difficulty when you're making the game?
Yes, maybe when my last project in my course, my final project in there, I so hard lah, because I make from zero and searching asset that I make two months. And in there is so hard because that I use with myself, like I searching in YouTube for tutorial, because before I not use AI, like no, that I so hard. Yeah, I research myself, and in there I so many lah, I learn about that. And because that I my skill upgrade lah when doing that project. Maybe that the default project, if I make in game project, like game project, yeah, the most hard.
Okay. Then?
Yeah.
Okay. So how long have you been in IDN?
3 years.
3 years.
Yeah,
Until now.
Yes.
Now 3 years. If now 3 years.
2 years for 5 months.
2 years, 5 months.
Yes.
Okay. So 2 years, 5 months. Any words for IDN?
What?
Any words for IDN?
For IDN, maybe thank you for IDN, because in IDN I so many learn like IT. I can make website in IDN. I can like graphic design in IDN, and I can upgrade my public speaking. and I can to speak English little bit, and I can and dunia so many lah learn dunia, and for Hafiz I up upgrade lah, and I add my memorize, and yeah, thank you lah for IDN. I just that.
That's it.
Yes.
Is it? Okay. Thank you for Bara. Okay, so for today, enough our interview. Yeah.
Yes.
So it's 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes our interview. And thank you very much for your time. Because ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.